You are welcome to another video tutorials. We are going to learn how to change the color of the taskbar on our computer system. Now, currently on the taskbar, you can see that we have this reddish color applied to this taskbar, and this color has also taken effect to the start menu and also the action center. So if I click on the start button, you can see that we have this reddish color applied to the start menu, and when I click on the action center at the right bottom corner, you can see that we have this color also taking effect to the action center. Now I am going to show you how to change the color of the taskbar and also how to have a different color for the taskbar, so that we can exclude the start menu and also the action center. So let me show you different ways you can access the taskbar settings interface and change the color of the taskbar to your desired color. Click on the search box and search for taskbar settings. Then you have the best match in the start menu. Then you have a once click on it, and you are going to have this taskbar settings interface. Another way to get this interface is to click on the start button. Then in this pane we have this option as settings, and when you click on settings, you are going to have this Windows settings interface. You have a search box here. You can search for taskbar settings, and you are going to have the best match here. You have a once click on it, and this will also jump you right to this taskbar settings interface. You can also right click on the taskbar, and you are going to have this menu, and in this menu we select taskbar settings, and this will also land you to this interface. In this interface you can apply so many settings to your taskbar. We are going to purposely focus on how to change the color of the taskbar. Now at the left pane we have these options here. We have background, colors, lock screen, and we are going to select the colors option. And when you click on the colors option, let's scroll down using the scroll bar, and when you get to this pane, you can see we have choose your accent color. We have this checkbox that says automatically pick an accent color from my background. You can use this option to pick a color from the background, and these are the recent colors I have applied to my taskbar. And below this we have Windows colors, and this is a palette of colors, and currently this is the color that is applied to the taskbar, the start menu, and also the action center. Now if I select any of these colors in this palette, you can see that the color of the taskbar has changed, and when we open the start menu, you can see this has also taken effect to the start menu. This has also taken effect. So any color you choose from this palette, that is going to take effect to the taskbar. Now what is the reason behind whenever you choose a color from this palette, it affects the taskbar and also the start menu and the action center? When you scroll down, we have these options here. Show accent color on the following surfaces. Now these two check boxes are checked, and we have start, taskbar, and action center. So when you choose a color from this palette, it's going to affect the start menu, the taskbar, and also the action center. And also it affects title bars and window borders. So any window you open on your computer system is also going to have these colors, which has affects the taskbar, the start menu, and the action center. So if I choose this color, now we have this reddish color to this taskbar, and this will affect the start menu. Now when I open this recycle bin, you can see that we have this color applied to the title bar, and also when you look around the border of this window, you can see that we have these colors apply to the borders as well. When I open the File Explorer, I'm going to have the same thing. Let's open Microsoft Word. And let's choose a blank document. Now this color of the taskbar is not affecting this, but when I open a window in this Microsoft Word application, I'm going to have this color of the taskbar apply to whatever open window in this Microsoft Word application. So under the Home tab, when I click on the Replace button, you can see we have this window of the Replace button, and this has the color of the taskbar. When I open the font group, you can see that we have this reddish color applied to the window and also its borders. When I go back and change the color to this color, you can see we have this color here, and also it affects the start menu. Let's open this window again, and you can see that this color of the window has changed. When you open the font group, it also has the color and also affecting the borders. So if you want to have the color applied to the start menu, the taskbar and the action center, then you have to uncheck this title bars. So when I go back to Microsoft Word and open this window, you can see that we have no color applied to this window. When I open the font group, you can see there's no color. When I open the recycle bin, there's no color applied to the borders as well as the title bars. And also when I open my File Explorer, there is no color given to the title bar and the borders. So you can uncheck this. The color chosen from this palette will be taken off, and this is going to have an automatic color to the start menu, the taskbar and the action center. Now if you want to have the color applied to the taskbar excluding the start menu and the action center, so let's choose this. I want to get rid of these colors of the start menu and the action center, but I want to maintain the color for the taskbar. So we are going to use a command in our computer system known as registry editor. So let's close this window. Now click on the start button and search for registry editor, and you are going to have this best option here. Let's have a once click on it. Then you have this pop-up menu that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Choose yes. Now we are going to have this window of the registry editor. Then we are going to apply some settings in this window so that we can have this color for the taskbar. Then we exclude the start menu and the action center. Place your pointer in this margin, left click and drag, and this is going to expand these folders. Now let's scroll up and minimize all these folders. You are going to have these 5 main folders here. We are going to select the second folder, which is H key current user. So click on the arrow to expand, and in this menu we are going to choose software. So you click on the arrow here to expand the software folder. These are the folders located in this software folder, and let's scroll to find Microsoft. And this is the Microsoft folder. We click on the arrow to expand, and also in this folder we are going to choose Windows. So let's scroll and find Windows. And this is the Windows folder. We also click on this arrow to expand the Windows folder. In these folders beneath the Windows folder, we are going to select current version. So click on the arrow to expand the current version folder. We are going to look for themes. So let's scroll down and look for themes, and this is themes folder. We also click on this. And in this themes folder, we have these 3 folders found or located in this themes folder. So we are going to select personalize. So let's click on personalize, and we are going to have this elements in this personalized folder, and we are going to choose color prevalence from this element. So you double click, you are going to have this window, and it says edit dword 32-bit value. The value name is color prevalence, and the value data in this field is 1, and I'm going to change this 1 to 3. Then okay, now let's minimize this window and go back to our desktop. Now this is the color given to the taskbar, but if I click on the start button, you can see that the color of the taskbar is not affecting the start menu. And also when I click on the action center, you can see that the color of the taskbar is not affecting the action center. We have been able to have one color given to the taskbar and also excluding the start menu and the action center. So let's go back to our taskbar settings, and let's change the color to a different color. Now below this palette we have custom color. So let's have a once click on it, and you're going to have this interface related to the accent color, and you can choose any color in this palette. So when I select this, I can use this bar to change the value based on my requirement, and when I'm satisfied, I'm going to have the preview here and click on done, and this will take effects on the taskbar. But when I click on the start menu, I'm not going to have this color affecting the start menu. So this is how to have a different color for your taskbar on your Windows interface. Hope this video was helpful. Please give it a like, share your comments, ask questions, and I'll be ever ready to answer your questions. And see you in the next video.